Hello and welcome to another PE class with Mr. McClung. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of at-home bowling. So if you look over here, you can see we've got our pins set up with our water bottles that are empty. To set them up, we put them in a triangle, and you want some space in between. You don't want them touching. But there's 4 at the back, then 3, 2, and then 1. Now to bowl, I've got my bowling ball made out of a couple pairs of socks all balled up together. I'm going to back up, and you can put a mark on the floor, whatever you need. I get 2 rolls to try to knock down all the pins. So I'm going to take my first roll as soon as my cat gets out of the way. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to take my first roll. And I'm going to take the ones that I knocked over and move them out of the way. So now for my second roll, I got to try and knock over the ones that are left. So I go back to my mark, aim where I want it to go, try to roll. Oh, I left 1 up. So since there are 10 pins, my score for that round would be 9. Now the scoring is pretty easy. You get 1 point for each pin, unless you get a strike or a spare. Now, if you remember, a spare is when it takes you 2 tries to knock them all down. A strike is when you get it in 1 try. Now, if you get a spare, to score that, you get 10 points for all 10 pins, but then you're also going to add the score of the next ball that you roll. For a strike, again, you get 10 points, but you're going to add the score of the next 2 balls that you roll. That can get a little bit confusing, so I would really suggest having a parent help you keep score if you want to keep score. Hope you have fun.